Hello everyone, welcome back to the 10 College. In today's video, I will show you how to deploy your first app in the Vercel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And first step of our video is build a basic project. For this video, I have built one basic project, that is a snake game. And let's navigate to the VS Code. Yes, we have navigated to the VS Code and run the your project in the local. You can observe that the application is running successfully in the local system, and you can test the application. Once everything is okay, you can go and deploy in the Vercel. So now let's dive into the second step. Open your favorite browser and search for the Vercel. The topmost website, click on it and log in with your GitHub account. If you did not have an GitHub account, you can create with your Gmail. I have an GitHub account, so I am signing in. If you not having, you can create with the Google. Once you have signed in, you will observe this interface and create one repository. You can put the any name that you want. I am putting that the snake game and leave it all as a default and click on the create repository. Once the repository has created, now come to your folder where you have created your project and just remember this path, and you will observe here loading an existing file. And not only loading your file as an existing, you can update your code with these commands also. For this video check, I am showing that loading and static file. Here we can observe that our folder is here, and double click on it and select all and click open. All the files one by one, it will be loaded into your repository. Wait until it is loaded. All the files are loaded. Now just click on commit changes. Once everything is loaded, you can refresh your page and see all the code is updated to your repository. And now log into your Vercel account with your GitHub. Click on sign up and click on continue with GitHub. It is asking for the collaborate. For your personal projects, click on the personal project. If you use for the working a commercial project, you can pay for that and you can work on it, and give the organization name the any default one. So we have created our account successfully. You can observe this is a Vercel dashboard. Once you have seen this dashboard, you can click on a project section. You will observe this import from the Git repository. Click on install, and it is asking to install Vercel in your GitHub account. Once all are set up perfectly, you can see your repository is displayed on this dashboard, and you just click on import button. Once these all are done perfectly, you can check the first importing the code from your repository, that the main branch, and also your organization team and project name is also displaying. And here you can see, you can edit if any another folders are there, or you can proceed with the root folder also. And if you are having any environment variables, you can also add. And all the build and log files are observed here. Once all are set, you can just click on the deploy. You can see the deployment is started, and log files are also built, and congratulations, you just deployed a new project. You can observe here. And if you continue to the dashboard, you can see here you got a one unique domain, and you just click on it, it will be redirected into the another tab. So this is your app domain, and you can also test the game. It is also working fine. It is also working fine. So that's all guys, hope you found this video helpful, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the 10 college. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.